This is day 2 of the jury selection process in the Derek Chauvin trial. The former Minneapolis police officer is charged in the death of George Floyd. Jury selection continues live on CBS in Minnesota right now. Let's get an update, though, from Christiane Cordero, live outside the Hennepin County Government Center. Christiane.
Well, Shayla, the court right now is working on selecting juror number 5, which means in the past couple of hours they did select juror number 4. Here's what we know about him. He is a white man in his 30s or 40s who grew up in central Minnesota, has a 5-year-old son, is a Vikings season ticket holder. Prosecutors asked how he felt about NFL players taking a knee for the national anthem, to which he replied, athletes can do what they want. He believes law enforcement and the military defend civilians' rights to express their personal beliefs. He recognized one name on the witness list, a BCA officer who he knew in college but says he hasn't spoken to in at least a year. Didn't think that would get in the way of his ability to serve on the jury. The biggest thing that did, a wedding he has planned, his wedding, for May 1st. He was asked of his willingness to reschedule.
It would be obviously disappointing, we would obviously liked for this to occur as normal. I think the COVID situation on top of this, we knew that planning this wedding, everything can go haywire in a COVID era. And then now with the jury duty, we both operated under the assumption, well, we'll plan the wedding. If we have to pivot, we'll have to pivot. Personally, yes, I would love to get married on May 1st.
So that was at the beginning of questioning. At the end was a rather light moment. Judge Peter Cahill said, you have been selected to the jury. You can tell your fiance it's my fault. Shayla?
That's one way to do it. Thank you so much, Christiane. Community activists are holding a press conference right now at the Hyatt Place in Minneapolis. This is a live picture from that event that started at noon. They said they wanted to talk about the Chauvin trial and police accountability legislation. If you want to watch today's jury selection live, head over to CBS in Minnesota. Watch free on any device via the CBS News app or go to WCCO.com.